Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Very good morning to all. So I'm back again with a new video. We were discussing or we were learning about the prime factorization methods, isn't it? We had seen one method how to do prime factorization, get prime factors. Okay, that is your T model or tree model, you can see. Okay, you call this as factor T model, that is T for tree. Okay, tree model. All right. Okay, the next if it is this is okay, you can do this T model for the small numbers. If it is a big number, it becomes difficult for us to go for this T model. Okay, so other method is by division method. All right, so if I take the number 980, okay, if you can go by this T model, okay, but it becomes difficult for me, so I can take this as what 100 into 98, isn't it? 198. Okay, and then you need to go on again, split for 100, split for 98, like this. Instead of this, what we the easiest thing is what we will do is go by division method. Okay, take like this 980, take here. You need to divide this number with the smallest factor. Okay, let's start from 2. So this number goes by 2. Yes, so 2 2 fours us 8, isn't it? So 1 will remain here, so 1 plus 1 8, it will become 18. 2 nines us 18 and 0 you'll get. So 2 4 90s us, it will be 980. Okay, again go and divide. This will go with 2 only. Okay, so this will be 2 2s us 4, 2 4s us 8, 2 5s us 10. Now this number is 2 4s us 8 and 1 will remain here, so it will become 10. So 2 5s is 10. Now this number is not divisible. 245 is not divisible by 2. So just check for the next number 3. Is it divisible by 3? 3 7s 21, 3 8s is 24, and 5 will not go. No. So or else you can go for by divisibility test. So 2 plus 4, 4 5 6, it is 11. 11 1 plus 1, it is giving you 2. So digital root is 2, so that means this is not divisible by 3. Okay, alright, so 4 also it will not be divisible. It is divisible by next smallest factor, that is 5. So 5 4s is 20, you'll remain by 4, so it will become 45. 5 9s is 45. Okay, so this will not go by 5 now. 3, to go from starting again. 2 3 also this is not divisible. 4 5 6 also it is not divisible. 7, yes, it is 7 7s is 49. Now again this is divisible by 7. 7 1s is 7. Okay, so you go on divide the number over here until you get 1. Okay, so these are your prime factors. Okay, so 2 2 5 7 7 are the prime factors of 980. Okay, 980 prime factors are these. If you go by this method also, you will get the same. You want to check. So this is 98 into 10, right? 98 into 10 is 980. I took 100, sorry. So here it should be 10. Okay, so if I split this 10, that is 5 and 2, isn't it? 5 2 is 10. Okay, now go and split for this number 98. Okay, so it will come in 2's table. So I can write this as 2 49s as 98, isn't it? Just check if you want to verify. 49 into 2 is 9 2 is 18, 4 2 is 8, 98, isn't it? So 2 49s is 98. I can split this as 7, isn't it? So it's almost same, but for big numbers you will find it difficult to find the factors. Okay, split and finding the factors. If you just go and divide here by the division method, it becomes easy for you. Okay, so always you need to divide with the smallest number first. If it is that the smallest number is not divisible, then you can move on further for the big numbers. All right, so we got the same factors, isn't it? 5 2 5 2 we have one more 2 7 7, isn't it? Okay, so these are the two methods to find and to do here to find the prime factors. Okay, so this process is called as prime factorization. Okay, by using this prime factorization method, you are going to find your highest common factor and least common multiple. Okay, we had seen how we are going to take factors, isn't it? I hope everyone remember. So what are the factors you are going to, if it is 4, we used to get take the factors like this. For 4, 1 2 and 4 are the factors. For 20 you have these many, 1 2 4 5 10 20, isn't it? So this 20 comes under all these numbers table, so these become factors of 20. So out of these, what are the common numbers in this, your common factors in this? It is 1 and 2. So your common factors are 1 and 2. Okay, out of this 1 and 2, which is the highest common factor? It is 2, isn't it? Okay, sorry, you have 4 also here. Alright, so your common factors are 1 2 and 4. Okay, 1 2 and 4. So out of these 3 common factors, 4 is the highest or greatest, isn't it? HCF, if they ask you to find HCF of two given numbers, then you will get the factors and the common factors between them you are going to check, and then you will take the highest common factor, that is nothing but 4 in this example, which is your, in short form you call it as HCF. Okay, so this method, you can go by this method. Again it becomes a bit difficult for you to do like this, so you can go by the prime factorization method, that is division method. Okay, prime factorization we had seen, division method. This method will make you easy, that is, it will be easy for you to use this method. Okay, now for me 3 numbers are given. All right, so out of these 3 numbers, you need to find of these 3 numbers, that is 20 28 and 29, what are your what is your HCF. Okay, so what I'll do, I will first divide 20. Okay, prime factorization method, how you need to do, take like this. So first divide by the smallest factor, that is, it will go in by 2, that is 2 tens is 20. So again it will go by 2, 2 5s is 10. Now it will go only by 5. So you will divide until you will get 1 here. So your factors for 20 are 2, 2 and 5. Okay, this was for 20. What about 28? Okay, I'll take the smallest factor, that is 2 1s is 2, 2 4s is 8. Now again 2 7s is 14. It will go by only 7 now. So factors, prime factors of 28 are 2 2 7. Okay, see what are prime factors. You will have factors of 20 as what? See, you can look at this. So prime factors are 2 2 5. Okay, whereas normal factors, what you'll get, you'll have 1 2 4 5 10 20, isn't it? So these numbers are also the factors of 20, but they are not prime factors, because this is not you can divide this 10 further, right, as 5 2s 10. So the number which you can't divide one split again, so that becomes your prime factor. Okay, so we are finding prime factors basically. All right, so what about prime factors of 26? So I will take the smallest. 2 1s is 2, 2 3s is 6, and this will go by only 13. Okay, so prime factors of 26 are 2 and 13. All right. Okay, so for everyone, one is going to be the common factor. All right. Okay, so now tell me, what is the highest common factor between 20, 28, and 26? If you want, you can note down like this. Okay, and just check which is going to be your common factor of all the three numbers. So for 20 we got prime factors 2, 2, 5. For 28 we got, here itself it is 2, 2, 7. Okay, you'll have 1 also. If you want, you can take 1 as well. 1 is will be the common factor for any pair of numbers. Okay, and then it is 2, 13 for your 26. So common between all of them is 1 and 2. Okay, so between 1 and 2, which is the highest biggest factor? It is 2. So HCF is 2 for your numbers 20, 28, and 26. Okay, let me take one more example. All right, so we have 20, 28, 36. All right, so what you'll do, you will go for finding the prime factors, okay, of the given numbers. All right, so you can find the normal factors, but the best thing how to find the highest common factor is you should go by the prime factorization. So 20 already we did. What are the prime factors of 20? For 20 we got prime factors as 2, 2, 5, isn't it? 1, 2, 2, 5. Okay, what about 28? Even 28 also we did. For 28 we got prime factors. Here it is 1, 2, 2, and 7. Now let me check for the prime factors. Get the prime factors of 36. 36, I'll take 2 1s as 2, 2 8s as 16, 2 9s as 18, 3 3s as 9, and one more time 3. Now you remain with 1 here. So prime factors of 36 are what? 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, isn't it? So these are your prime factors. So 2 times you'll have 2, 3, 3 2 times. Okay, now just check out of these three, of all the three numbers, what are the common factors? So you have common factors 1. 1 you can actually avoid, or it depends on you. If you want to write, you can write, because 1 will be common for all. Okay, the 1 2 and one more time 2 is there. Okay, so for this kind of, if you have 2 for 2 times, then you will take common factor as highest, HCF as highest common factor as 1 into 2 into 2. This is 4. So your highest common factor for 20, 28, and 36 is going to be 4. Alright, if you have 2 times number 2 as common, you will take like this. Alright, if it is suppose 3 is there, again what you'll do, 2 cross 2 cross 3 you will take. Okay, I hope this should be very clear to everyone. We can do more and more problems in our live session, that is Zoom meeting, so that it will be very clear how to get your highest common factor. Okay, that is, this prime factorization method is very important. Just do many problems, keep practicing. Okay, all right, so I think today we can stop till here, and the last part of your unit will be left out, that is to find your LCM. LCM is what? Least common multiple. So again, in least common multiple, you're going to use prime factorization method. Okay, so we had used for to find your HCF, prime factorization method, prime factors we have found, okay, with the division method. And LCM also you will find it by the prime factorization, that is division method. Okay, okay, until we meet again with a new video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.